Yeah, Secret Ninja. He named himself Secret Ninja. Show your face, Secret Ninja.
Hey, show your face, man.
Hello. How much
Can't see your face.
So guys, please watch till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to the video. And please watch till the end if you guys like the video. And I'm gonna see you. So guys, my friend is digging stairs. I don't know for what.
What is digging for this?
First take 6 cobblestone for me also. I'll kill some sheeps.
Like a sheep.
That's chicken.
Nice.
It gives us ice biome. And even a swamp biome, I guess. Ferris, where was the swamp?
I don't know.
Ah, it's
A
there.
donkey. On the way.
I guess this is the swamp. Yeah, this guy. Is that dye?
Yeah.
Light blue dye.
Oh, so cool dye.
Yeah, guys, that's
Man, look at the
a
dye.
nice dye. It's light blue. Ferris, you want?
So cool, man.
So
It's
cool.
so bright.
Yeah. I'm just gonna take some for our carpets.
Take each and every dye. Don't leave that.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh,
So guys, I'm just going to change it into dye. Oh, light blue dye.
Where is Rehan? Guys, I lost Rehan.
It's okay, I'll teleport you to me.
Wait. What is
I'll just take some more and then I'll just give some to him. You also want light blue bed?
Okay, first.
There's
teleport
pink dye also. You want a teleport?
Okay.
Wait. No way.
No, that's the. Parvez, we found a chest.
That chest
The
thingy.
awesome chest thingy.
Yeah, that like
Teleport
it's
me.
called something. I'll just take the chest. Guys, I don't know, but it's a new update. Oh my.
Hey, you should give me the
You take the pickaxe.
Okay. Teleport me first.
Oh my god.
They call the nuggets. Tasty nuggets to
We
eat.
can make it iron.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Can make it iron? That's good. Take the flint and steel.
Then you take the flint and steel. Guys, this is so amazing. Unbreaking 3, guys. Unbreaking 3. First, come, I'll give you the pickaxe.
Be careful you don't get hurt. Parvez, come here. Where
Nice, right?
Hi, Magma man.
Wait,
Wait,
what
What
is
was
that?
that dye?
There is some more blue dye. I'm going to take that. First, you take.
Where's the
I take the pickaxe. Wait, I'll just keep it in the chest. I'm keeping in the chest. Mine is what to say. This
Stone.
no magma block.
Magma block.
We can keep for protection in our house.
Oh, you can make that water thingy.
Yeah.
Maybe. I never knew it like this. I mostly didn't. I never have spawned in such an area.
Actually, this is the new 1.16.
Version.
Yep. So, guys, if you want this game for free, please tell me in the description. I'll give free. Let's just kill them.
Let them go. Let them leave. And don't. It's becoming night.
But they will come to kill me, no.
Just run.
Guys, you must run. Run. For which it's
Right.
becoming night, I'm going to kill some slimes. So please stay with me. The sheep, 2 sheep.
Just make it day instead.
Nope.
Why is it dying?
Yeah.
Oh, you have fire.
Oh, I got raw mutton. I got cooked
mutton.
mutton.
Yes, fire. So you can kill skeleton also. They will also fire.
Fire.
zombies are there?
Yeah, tell them, give them, where
Okay,
are you?
he's coming.
Where are you? Yeah, come here, die.
My pickaxe. It's my pickaxe.
It's in your inventory.
No.
Okay,
Huh?
yeah, he lost his pickaxe. Wow.
Where it went?
Ferris, you lose your pickaxe, so
I don't know how it went.
Rehan, check with you.
so careless boy.
Where is the?
There is a zombies are coming for you. Kill them.
You only
Sorry.
I'm burning.
Just make it.
Sorry,
day.
I by mistakenly hit.
It's so hard.
Wait, I'll teleport you to me, guys. I by mistakenly
No,
killed him.
I'll be here only. Better.
The spiders. There's so many pins. Pins
Oh
then.
my goodness, it's so hard.
See,
I'm just searching for slimes, or else I will not be doing this.
I spy.
There is nothing in that also. Then where did it go?
What?
The pickaxe.
Yeah, the pickaxe is not even there in the chest. I can't find any. What to say? Oh, skeletons.
Make it day. You'll easily find it.
No, slimes will not come when it is day. Is that slime?
Yeah. No.
Yup. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
No.
Did he give me
Reward.
Dude.
Hello. Look at my eyes.
If you had that golden pickaxe, you could have mined that gold.
Where?
Cool.
Yeah.
I'll just teleport it to me or what?
No, this is better.
Because it
There's
isn't.
an enderman.
Yeah.
Well, you only found one slime, but
I
you
can
didn't-
sleep if I want. How much will you have?
I have only 2.
If you find any one more sheep, kill it.
Okay.
Somebody's killing me. Please help me.
Huh?
Farus, if you come here, more death will happen.
Secret ninja tell. And there's a creeper.
Kill it.
You go kill it. I don't have that sword. You took the sword. So sad.
You only told you wanted the pickaxe. Right?
Now where's the pickaxe gone?
You lost it.
I didn't lose it.
It happens for
Oh
Farus.
my god, the big slime. Let's get it. Gummy, gummy, gummy. Gummy, gummy, me,
Hey, see
gummy,
that?
gummy.
See
That's
the
why you're not getting, man.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. You die, you skeleton.
Farus got shot by an arrow.
And he's coming for you.
He's coming for me. Huh? You coming for me? You can't see me. I'm
And you
John
died.
Cena. You can't see me. I'm John Cena. You know that?
Your sword.
You
power
can't see
is
John
less.
Cena, guys. So, guys, I have 9 slime balls. So good. And my sword power is also less.
It's unbreaking.
Yeah, but it still breaks.
More slime.
Yeah. That much. Bane of arthropods. I don't know what arthropods means. 7 is enough. I am a writer. Bros fighter.
First we find
Dumbo
redstone
is
and
also
all.
coming. Die, die, die. These people are not
I
dying.
am-
Hello, creeper. Don't die. Creeper.
Your mouth
See
is
this, see this. Awesome. What are standing and sitting?
The skeleton is sitting on top of the spider.
Hey, die you idiot skeleton.
Horse.
Eh,
Again? Parvis?
Why?
Guys, I'm just going to turn it into day. I'm hating this.
Yay! Beautiful white hearts.
But you don't have any. What is this?
I don't like saddles.
You don't like
Because we don't get saddles.
So, guys, that is all.
Okay.
Don't shoot me, you skeleton. I found
I
two
got a
horses.
pickaxe.
Don't.
Just kidding.
We got a wooden one. That's funny.
Hello. This skeleton. Annoying skeleton.
No, it's not annoying, man. You don't know the skeleton? Stupid
Still
skeleton.
it did not die.
Die.
One
not
skeleton died. The
ignited.
skeleton is not dying.
Why are you going to kill for it? Why are you going to kill it? Why are you going
This
for
simply
killing it?
shooting me.
My sword is going to finish.
You die, you skeleton. Die.
There's a llama.
Who
Kill it.
spits saliva. Yucky llama.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Guys, I can't find any cave. I can't find any what to say.
Pickaxe. Slime.
Yeah, my friend's pickaxe.
You're not even near the friend's pickaxe.
Please, Karen, teleport me there.
Okay, fine.
Okay, where are you first?
In your head.
Then why are you asking me to teleport you to... One more sheep!
Kill. It's enough.
And give me a
And
give me a cooked mutton.
Is that a chicken? Is that?
Die, you idiot. No, goodbye.
Oh, cute. That's a mushroom tree.
What do you want some
XP.
cooked? What to say this?
Yeah. food for free.
I am a mine.
There's one. I have one question, guys. Why can't the cow go to drink water in the sea?
Not funny.
Not funny joke.
You both are not believers. Not a sense of humor. Move. Okay, whatever. Just teleport that.
That icky,
Creature.
ficky, leaky Farvis.
Wait.
Oxpe.
Farvis, do you have any stone
Stone pickaxe, both.
stone pickaxe?
You stand in what position?
Farvis, I found a pickaxe.
Nice joke.
Just kidding. Okay, Farvis, can you come and make a crafting table?
I already have a crafting table.
Okay, can you come?
Wait, I'll kill this skeleton.
If it kills you, I don't know what to.
Creeper, don't come near.
Let it explode, it'll kill the skeleton.
Explore, na? It did skeleton. Didn't kill anybody.
Did you get any bone?
I am so hungry. Give me the cooked mutton.
Farvis, can you see my skin?
Yeah.
How is it? Nice, thanks.
I didn't see any.
If we kill this chicken and get cooked the chicken.
But before that, give him some chicken to eat.
Oh, one shot death. Wait, I'll give one cooked chicken. Where are you?
I'm in your friend face.
Take.
Thanks for the cooked chicken. Bro.
You to eat something.
Okay, guys, now Farvis, do you have
We
sheep?
need that. I'm already full. Wow.
But we don't need to keep this sheep with this.
We need sheep because I have one black this time.
Black light.
Black wool.
We need one more sheep for Farvis' bed.
No, I already have. It's enough.
How many you have?
How much you have, Rihan?
I
Four.
have 1. 4.
Then that is enough, right?
You have how much?
3.
You have 3. Then why did
2
you ask?
white and 2 black. One
white.
black.
Then why are you asking me for a bed? You could just dye them both.
But I don't have this squid idiot.
Hey, you can Farvis, throw the black one and get the blue bed.
You want blue bed?
Give me any bed. I want to sleep in any bed.
Okay, Farvis, come here. Place the crafting table I'll make.
Where are you going? You're going in the water. He's behind you. Ayo.
Come on, Farvis. Where
Papa.
and
Where are you?
I'm near
Behind
you.
your face.
Come on the landing place. Come. Guys, my friend is
With his
so slow.
hands. You're asking how he's swimming.
Alas.
You're placing the track.
By mistake.
by mistake.
No, by mistake.
1, 2,
Farvis,
Three.
give your 2.
blah. Light the blue blood. Guys, I have light blue blood.
Take. Oh,
Hey.
shit. I'm throwing the pickaxe.
Huh?
Take the wool. And
Thanks.
take this wool also.
I'm gonna make a second bed.
Take this also.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, I can make 1 iron.
One iron. Yes. Light.
I'll make 1 iron.
What is that?
Only 1 iron I got.
Now make me a bed.
What is this?
Firework star. So first take that and come. Let's
You
go.
take
Where's the
Give
bed,
him
idiot?
When did I make a bed? Okay,
For
take the
me.
bed. Okay, take the bed. It's here. Take.
You'll spawn here only. No? Here already.
Come on, you cheeky little.
A llama.
Farvis, come.
Wait, I should take the crafting table.
Why are you eating it with a sword?
Okay, bye. I'm going. A llama.
Oh, mama. Oh, llama.
Oh, there is a squid.
Kill it.
Where?
No use, but. Come on, spit on me, you idiot. He didn't spit on me. Wow.
He doesn't like it, that's why.
If it doesn't like me, then why she didn't spit me?
Yeah, that's it. You came to Ashia.
No.
Okay, Farvis, come.
Now I'm going to get out of this swarm area.
I already got out and I'm exploring this world.
Okay, what is your goal?
To get diamonds.
Our goal is to get diamonds. But not in this video. There's some more sheeps. Jeeps.
Finish.
Hey, make it purple, yaar.
Why?
Then you can get purple dye. Because you want purple only. Actually, purple, sorry, blue. I don't know what am I blabbering.
Yeah, he doesn't know what he's blabbering. So guys,
Another sheep?
another sheep.
This place is lucky. Sheepilia.
Sipilia,
Nah.
Tipilia, Tipilia.
You're just wasting your sword.
Rihan lost Leia. Rihan lost Leia.
One more sheep.
Black.
How many sheep? So guys, hope you guys like my video. Please watch till the end, like, share and subscribe. And please subscribe to my videos. And
One
stay
more
tuned
sheep.
for
Oh my
more
God,
videos.
look
at this giant.
Mama.
Take
Look at the miniature one. That's so cute.
Those are babies, not miniature.
I don't care, but they're small, right?
Hara, you want some black wool?
Yeah.
Nope.
Anyways, no use of
I
that.
found a cave.
Very good, mine it.
Mine. Okay.
Mine a cave.
Mine a cave.
Yeah. How can we mine a cave, guys?
With your hands. Oh.
No, not with your hands, with the pickaxe.
But you mine with the pickaxe with your hands.
You hold the pickaxe. You
Okay,
said-
Farviz, are we making a house? Are you coming?
But make in a oaky place, not in the swamp.
Yeah, I don't want to.
I am not even there in the swamp.
Why is that? Red, oh.
So
Take
guys,
the red, take the red. You can also put checkers.
hey, so many jeeps. Guys, I don't have any more blue. What to say? Light blues. The what to say? Blah
Why
blah.
they were kissing each other?
They're kissing each other to get one baby. Don't have.
But they are not getting a baby. It's Favis.
I'm in the mine. Mining some coal and
in a
iron.
cave.
Mine's a mine.
I already got.
How much?
I'm not sharing you
Uh,
because you know. I
and
got
then
8
I'm
iron.
not going to let you mine.
I got 8 iron.
Then I can.
Is that enough? 8 iron?
Yeah, for me.
Okay, now come. Where are you? Please teleport me. I'm so. Ah!
I'm in your
water!
face. What happened?
I saw water.
If you see water, why are you so scared?
Water is very not precious.
Huh?
I'm talking, blabbering.
Oh, there is one more wolf.
For free.
Wolf!
The wolf.
Wolf! Okay, he's going to pet without me. A bad boy. He killed this much sheep?
Yeah, he kills sheep. so
Yeah.
he's a-
Thank. If Arviz can I have. He likes me.
But he likes fur.
Follow me now. You are mine.
I don't have any
Rehan, take
pet
this.
dog.
Rehan, take this. Rehan, where are you? Where?
I don't have any pet dog.
Take this.
Where are you?
Give me your face. Take this. If you find any more of these,
I
pet
don't
it.
have any pet
Eat.
dog.
Hungry.
I'm so sad. Guys, I don't have a pet dog.
Sleep, please.
Quack, quack, quack. Is that all?
Yes.
Yay! Guys, we got one more wolf, but I don't know if we can pet it. Please, little.
Sad.
Guys, I'll just be back to the
Okay.
video.
Okay.
Come.
So
then,
guys,
go.
I petted one dog, but not that dog. I petted another dog, and this is my friend's dog, Yellow Dye, and here's my dog. The blue dye is mine. Yeah, blue dye is mine, guys. We kept it like that. The colors are different.
So, your name is Bravo.
My dog name is Bruno. Yeah.
Bravo. Bravo. Come on, Bravo.
Come on, Bruno.
Bravo. 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 Come on, Bravo.
Okay, now we are going to make a house, Bruno and Bravo. Come, mine some wood.
I already have. It's enough.
Okay, let's start making.
What
Hey,
is
your dog is coming on top of the tree. Be careful, it'll die.
I know. It will follow me.
If Farviz, I don't want to make in this biome, this yellow dirty biome.
Where is that doggy?
My
What
doggy
the
is
heck?
following me. Good doggy, do
My
good
doggy
doggy.
is following.
Your doggy will teleport to you.
Yeah, Farviz, come, let's go.
You like black planks?
No.
Then I don't have that.
Okay, we'll customize our house with birch and black.
Birch.
White and black.
What is birch?
Birchwood.
It's bridge.
Birch.
Birch. What is
Something.
birch?
No, don't talk.
Find that white wood, Farviz, and then we can customize our house.
Okay, guys, I'll be back.
Yeah, guys, she'll be back.
In the moment.
I'll just mind some.
What would?
By my way, and then it's better to drink water.
Yeah. Yeah, she's going to drink water when it is Ramadan.
It's supposed to get pagada. I like, okay, let's go. Just I'll go wash my hands. My hands are getting dirty.
Okay, guys, you just mind this. So, Faris, how much white wood do you have now?
I don't know.
Birch wood planks.
I don't know. Wood planks?
White color.
Okay, make it. I have 16.
I have 20. 28.
What dogs can break woods?
No. Guys, he's asking dogs can mine wood. Nice.
Yeah, guys. So lazy.
He's not educated. His dog is educated, but he's not educated. A uneducated fool. So guys, you just take all of this. So guys, we almost got enough wood. Yeah guys, she's back.
Refreshing.
Okay guys,
What
now
did you get?
I have like
Stuck.
guy,
Doggy, come kill this. No. Bravo, kill that sheep.
doggy is calling it dog.
Bravo.
He's not a dog also. It's a wolf.
But I call him doggy. So what's your problem?
Call him Bravo. Okay, Faris, how much black wood you have?
I have 2 stacks.
2 stacks. Good. Come, let's search one plain land.
And where
Take
is-
more.
I thought to kill you, didn't kill it.
What?
This doggy.
Where is your dog?
Bravo, come on. And I'm lost in the forest. I cannot find Rehan.
Guys, I'm just going to teleport him to me.
Yeah, guys. Bravo. Bravo. Bravo.
He lost his Bravo.
Bravo will come any moment.
Yeah, guys, Bravo will come in any moment. Bravo.
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 Bruno. Is here
Bruno
already.
is here.
Bruno, fetch my
Bravo.
Bravo.
Mr. Bravo.
Mr. Bravo.
I'll just kill this cow. And my dog
He's
will go
running
for
like
him.
chicken joy.
My dog is not coming.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my dog.
My dog is.
It will come to you. Just wait.
It isn't coming.
Oh my god, my dog. Dog. Oh, who's killing me?
Your dog. Boo.
I will everything change it.
Guys, where is his dog?
Yeah,
Guys, comment in the section.
At least, do you know which is
Who's dying?
eating you?
Maybe he's having some.
Someone
Are
is.
you dying?
Oh, your hunger.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Eat some chicken.
Nicely eating, huh? No sharing.
I already
Give me
have so
mutton.
much.
Give me mutton.
Hey, you already filled your hunger, no?
No.
Okay, take mutton.
Cooked mutton.
I don't have cooked mutton.
You have. Where's the mutton you threw?
It's in your.
Inventory. Hey, your dog came.
Wow. What a lie.
Okay, see.
Look.
Okay. Where is this?
He's nowhere. Guys, let's search for his dog. I don't want to hurt for this.
Or
But I
let's
don't know
search for
which
him at
direction where you are. The sheep. I thought that was your dog for a second. There are 2 sheep. But, no,
The
I'm
baby.
not going to kill it.
But I am going to kill it.
Okay, you kill it.
Dog, come and kill the sheep for me.
Huh? You don't even. Where is your dog?
Bravo, bravo, come kill the sheep.
Where is your Bravo?
I think your Bravo left you all alone.
Bravo, poor little Bravo lost me.
Hey, Faris, do you know any signal that you were near to your dog?
No, I don't know.
You don't know anything?
There
At
was-
least, where were you last time?
You did you teleport me? Why should I think of that and all?
I should have teleported me to you, not you to me.
Then what about your dog?
My dog is following me like a good dog.
Hey,
Yeah, I can see you.
Of course you can see.
Faris, I can see your dog.
you dog. you come near, come near me and slap your face. Will you look me? Hello.
Okay, guys, we are just going to search the.
His dog.
Back in the mouth. Back in the mouth.
Guys, this is red. Farwiz, do you remember any single thing
wasn't
about
here.
what was here? In which biome you were? Grass biome? Were you?
Coming night.
Yep. Guys, it's going to become night. We're just gonna did I hear a dog?
Yeah.
Not my dog. It's not my dog. Farwiz, where are you? I'll teleport you to me.
No.
I can see
Your
you.
name tag.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, Farwiz? I know how you feel about your loss, about your dog. Okay, guys, we'll just sleep and then we'll be back to the video.
We just kill this skeleton and back in the.
Oh, yeah.
So, guys, I'm just
Wow, nice skeleton.
okay. Doggy, my doggy, come and kill this.
Where's your doggy? Where? Yes. Arus has found his doggy. I mean,
Come
a
on,
new
come
one.
Yeah, guys, my
A
friend has
horse.
found his best meat.
Guys, you can tame it. Like, make a baby.
Hey, we can make a baby.
Horsey, you're my horsey.
If Farwiz, we can make double. You want baby?
No, no.
No, we can make baby.
My horse is loving me.
You didn't even ride it and now. Hey, Farwiz, where is your dog?
Come on, dog.
Where is your dog? For Mr. Your dog? Mr. Your dog. You made it pink?
Yeah, I loved it.
You love pink?
Nice, nice. I like it.
So what?
I'm just going to feed your dog and feed my dog.
Arey, Baba, where you are
Feed.
running?
And where is my dog?
It's my dog.
Feed. Okay, now they are going to love each other.
Are they?
Yeah, they made a baby! Guys, they made a baby!
Tame that also.
I did?
No, I tame.
No, please give me, please give me. Please, I only helped you do it.
Please, please.
No man, no man, no man. Guys, I only gave him the bones.
But
Man, give it. Man, give it. Man, give it, man. Give it, give it, give it. I will make one dog for you also. I'll make one more dog for you.
to take. I gave.
Thanks.
Can you come out of
Can't
the
tame a
grass?
small one.
You can.
It is there, so it will not go anywhere.
It is there, baby.
So it will not go anywhere.
It'll not go anywhere also.
Why
It
is it
should-
following me?
They will follow you.
Ah, yeah, it's coming. The
Aw.
Let's see where the small baby goes.
It's me.
The small baby is lost.
It's me.
No, because your dog is the mother.
No.
Yeah.
Your dog is the mother.
Sheep. I found a cave.
Can't
Ah,
you
it also
color it?
looking at me.
Color it?
Let's try.
What the heck are you trying?
Guys, what happened to him?
1 second killed my dog.
I died our baby dog, but I can't see where it is died.
Yeah, where's the color? It's yellow, yeah. I can see it.
I can't see anything in my baby dog.
Doggy, come.
Ah, yeah, I can see the collar little.
Yeah. His neck is small, right?
Where?
Creeper in the cave.
Be careful for your dog.
Someone has to take care of the small baby.
Hey, Farwiz, we have to make a house also. A small baby will also be sad. Okay, I'm starting to make our house. Farwiz, can you give me all the wood?
I made him stick.
Yeah, make them sit for everybody.
Hey, come, my dog. My dog.
Where's
My dog?
My dog is here. Your dog is
Don't
there.
come. Don't come.
I'll just make them sit. I made my dog also sit. The baby is so cute. Guys, we are going to build a house now. So please watch till the end till we make a.
Take.
Give me all the wood. I'm
You
going
guys
to
have
make
to
a
get
beautiful
some
house for
chest.
our dogs and us.
Yeah,
So guys,
stack of full.
if I'm out of them, then you give. I'll
Farwiz,
make
can you get the bridge wood?
I already have that. It's
then
enough.
more bridge wood.
No, it's enough.
I have soul lists.
I have 64 and another 16.
Good, that is enough. Then
Make one chest.
make one long area. Then like this, like how I'm making.
But this your babies are there in the between.
We can cover them also.
Nice.
Oh, that's it, duck. Thank you. Oh, that's in my day.
No, somebody will hit it.
This
Why
much
making
is
so
enough. Okay.
Yeah.
small? Hey, not that much.
Not that much.
Smaller.
If Faris, I'll make one more baby dog. 2 baby dogs would be nice, no? Me.
Why was that small?
I'm going to make one more baby dog. For both of us. Doggy.
Can you make your...
Hey, Faris, can you make your dog stand? Faris, can you make your doggy stand? Make it stand.
Why the stand option is not coming? It's not mine. See?
Hold something else. You try.
How will I try? Oh, it's coming to me only. Why is it coming to me?
It's waiting for somebody to love it.
Yeah, for Faris, come on. It's waiting for someone to love it.
Stand. Stand.
You made it?
Yes, stand. Now feed it. Feed it.
I already fed it.
You should feed my dog, idiot.
I already
Yeah,
fed your
you
dog.
fed it.
I'll just kill one more cow and come.
There
Can't it eat
Guys,
mutton?
I'll just kill one more. No, mutton then. I need one more. I need one more. Guys, we need one more.
Try mutton. Try mutton.
Try more. I'll try some pork chop.
It's my dog.
Where's your dog?
Yeah.
Hey, our both dogs are here.
Yeah, you can.
We
feed
can
them
also
and-
feed pork chop. Where is your dog?
Feed it. Feed it.
And now they're going to come in love. There's a baby.
And dye it also. But dye it different color. Red.
Blue.
Yeah.
Doggy.
Parvis
Doggy?
can dye his that baby other color.
Yeah, he died here. Some color.
Parvis, which color is your baby?
If we
dog?
start making our house also, dog will feel lonely. Make our dog sit. I'm going to
Doggy,
make this
come.
dog sit. Sit. One dog for me, one dog for you. Equal, right?
Where's the dog? Where's my
Your dog is
Your dog is
your dog
behind.
is behind you.
Yeah.
I mean my doggy and the baby sit together.
Come near. Why this dog is not coming near? Doggy, come near. Bravo, what's
I
happening?
came, and it's going somewhere else because you're not doing properly.
Lagging?
No, it's not lagging.
Do. Wait. You can make a secret.
Senior.
You don't have that. Parvis, how much iron you have?
I have 8.
Did you melt?
No.
Guys, from here we're going to make one design. I'm going to put double like this.
Sit down. Finally.
Make double like this. Make double like this.
Arey, both of you put at the same time.
Yeah, but we'll make like this.
What is this?
Like a shed
Can
roof.
join you.
Then, if Harris, can you place all of this, like, you can do like this, birchwood? What happened?
Spider.
Yeah, I saw one spider. He's dying, man.
If Harris will respawn, I can teleport him to me. Harris,
Set his
Parvis.
respawn to-
Harris, can I have some more this white wood? Please, please, please. Guys, I hope guys liked our journey. So I'm just going to end the video after this, after making our house. So please watch till the end and watch how we make our house. Cause I also like you guys who watch my videos. So I'm just going to cover this up.
A black sheep.
So guys, hope you guys like the video. And I'm just going to do like this. And then from here, one there.
Can you stop
to
it?
there. Why, what happened?
Raining.
Oh, okay. You can also do. You can also do.
You can see my bed.
Yeah, we can see
Yeah.
your
What I cannot see. Wow.
bed. That's funny.
It's amazing.
What are you trying to do?
You're making a house.
Yeah.
I know that. What kind of design are you guys trying?
So guys, hope you guys like my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for thank you guys for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to end the video right here.
Bye to the wolves.
Bye, wolves. Bye.
Bye.